We're just under Ullscarf, and this part of the Borrowdale volcanics is what's called a pyroclastic deposit. That means that the clasts, the blocks, were hot when they landed on the ground. We can see that they're very hot because they've squashed flat. So each of these, you can see here, things shaped a little bit like lenses. These were originally blocks of pumice, and the weight of the ash landing on top of it has squished all the gas out of it, so they've ended up as these like thin lenses of rock. Okay, so it was hot enough that the rock was still plastically deforming as it was deposited. So it's pyroclastic, hot clasts, hot blocks of rock. So probably 500 degrees C or so when this ash landed. Go to OneMinuteGeology.net for more videos near you and for information about guided geological days out.